do you think about the song that I wanted?
It's a touchdown now.
Frosty the Snowman.
Perfect.
Frosty the Snowman with a jolly happy soul, with a corn top pipe and a button nose, and jaws made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman was a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came true like one day. There must be been some magic in that Oxo hat they found. When they placed it on his head, he began to enter around. Down to the village, a broomstick in his hand, run here and there all around the square, saying, catch me if you can. They let them down the streets of town until the traffic caught. He only caused a moment when he heard them holler stop. Oh, Frosty the Snowman had to hurry on his way, but he waved goodbye and said, don't you cry, we'll be back on Christmas Day. Thumpity thump thump, thumpity thump thump, look at Frosty go!
Wow!
Thumpity thump thump, over the hill in the snow.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Welcome.